Let's discuss identities and inverses. So what is an identity? A simple number which when applied to another number has no effect on that number. This is known as identity. And inverse is a number which when applied to another number will give you an identity. Okay, so a specific number x such that when it is applied to a specific number a will have no effect on this number a. You will get the a on the answer. Such number x is called identity. Whereas if you have a specific number say y and such that this is applied to another number a and this results in an identity, this y is called an inverse. Now these identities and inverses, they are further classified to two different portions. One is known as addition and the next one is simply multiplication. Now in addition, what is that specific number which when added to another number has no effect on it? Say I have a number a. So what is that specific number which when added to a leaves a? Means that it has no effect on a. That number is a 0. 0 when added to any other number will have no effect on that number. So this 0 is called the additive identity. Whereas in multiplication, what is that specific number which when multiplied to another number has no effect on it? Now here we cannot write a 0 because 0 when multiplied by another number will give you 0 as the answer. I need the same number. So that is 1. So in multiplication, the identity is 1. So here we get two specific numbers 0 and 1. 0 is known as the additive identity, whereas this one is called the multiplicative identity. Now let's move to inverses. Now in case of inverses, what is that specific number? Say I have a number a. Now what is that specific number which when added to a, since I'm talking about additive inverse, what is the specific number which when added to a will give me the additive identity, and that additive identity is 0, which we studied a little earlier. So what is the number which when added to this a will give you 0, and that number is negative a. A minus a is equal to 0. Any number 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Negative 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So let's say 3. So the other number should be negative 3 equal to 0, or negative 99. You should add positive 99 in order to get 0. So these 3 and negative 3, they are basically additive inverses of each other. Negative 99, positive 99, they are additive inverses of each other. So simply if you are given a number a, you need to change the sign of this number in order to get its inverse. If you are given this number a, simply change its sign. You will get negative a. So this is the additive inverse of this number. Whereas for multiplicative inverse, what is the number which when multiplied with this a results in the multiplicative identity which is 1? And that is simply 1 over a. You can simply cancel this a with this and you will get 1. So for example, 4 multiplied by 1 over 4 is equal to 1, or 1 over 23 when multiplied by 23 you will get 1. So in case of multiplicative inverse, you simply need to, if you're given a specific number say b, simply take the reciprocal of this number, you will get the multiplicative inverse. So the reciprocal of b is 1 over b, because here b is in the numerator, the denominator is 1. After taking the reciprocal, you will get 1 over b. So if you multiply these two numbers, you will simply get a 1. So in case of additive inverse, If you're given a number, change its sign. That will be your additive inverse. And in case of multiplicative inverse, if you're given a specific number, take the reciprocal of that number in order to get the multiplicative inverse. Whereas the identities are 0 and 1. So this was identity and inverse. Thank you very much. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.